Morning, welcome back to another glorious day in Headcorn.
You feel silly, don't you?
No. No, it's alright. Right, Fiesta's just come in. Here's one we done earlier. You used to have a half black wrap on the back, but he was fed up with his neighbours hitting it and chipping it all the time, so he's had it painted by us so he could have little bits tuffed in here and there.
That don't stop his neighbours hitting and chipping it.
No, I know, but it's easier to blow little bits in and get a bit of wrap changed every now and then. It's all paint. He's got his swish doors on it. Are they Lambo doors? I don't know. I don't know about cars. Alan's the car man. Right, it's into us. Roof scoop's blistered up. When we done the work last time, it had already blistered, so we rubbed it back and painted it. But it must be deeper than we thought, so we've got to go back further, try and get that all, don't know, primed or filled or whatever, fuck knows. But yeah, that's all that's in for this time. Little bad boy, Fiesta. Little bad boy. Alan's going to get his van primed. Hey Al. Al's going to do something today. He's a bit happier today. He hasn't thrown anything yet or spat his dummy out yet. Right, let's get on, shall we? Van's prepped. I'm just going to run along this top edge with a 3000 Trizac. I'm going to paint it. I'm going to stick a flat along here. Any overspray that comes under the flat, give it a little tickle, and the 3000 will stop it all flaking off and all that bollocks. Well, I'm painted, Alan's primed, everything went alright on my van, apart from the lacquer. The glue from the stickers, obviously I hadn't cleaned it off enough, and it's all got all swirly and wanky, and so I'm going to have to polish out that. I've got the lamps on it now. Yeah, Alan's primed, just had one of our mates, half mate, half local, half customer, drop this off. It's got to fix these back on both sides, and someone smashed his window. I think someone's been upsetting someone. Oh well. What a ball like this window is. Got a couple of mongs working on it. We had to get the window mechanism out anyway so we can hoover out all the glass. So you have to take the speaker out, move this rubber, get all the plugs off, so you can turn it and slide it out. But you just watch the video and the new glass slides in from the outside. So we've got to heat gun these, whatever you fucking call them. What do you call these? Wind things. Heat gun them off. Get the mechanism back in, slide the glass back down, and then stick them back on. Alright, relay's gone. Al's packing up. He's had enough. Disco's all done. It was the wrong glass. That's why we were struggling, but we got it to fit. Customers here. Hey mate, sorted your hair out?
That's not all, is it?
Yeah. Not a fucking old turkey's neck.